I'm gonna show you how to assemble IKEA HATTEFJÄLL office chair. This is the one here, and in this case we have it without the armrest, but more about that and positioning of the chair after we put this chair together. So let's assemble together this IKEA HATTEFJÄLL office chair. And you're getting one box with this IKEA HATTEFJÄLL office chair. Just gonna show you quickly what you're getting in the box. So manual instructions, and this is all the parts what you're getting. They are nicely packed, well protected. So this is all the part you're getting. Wheels, you're gonna have 5 of these. It has kind of self-stop built in. I'm gonna explain that in a moment. Here is the sitting part. And this is all the screws you're getting. So you're gonna get 3 screws and the Allen key. So that's indicate it's not gonna be much work here. Not any special tools required here as well. If you have a wooden floor, the cardboard is nice once you're putting the wheels, so you're not gonna scratch the floor. Press the wheel in. Some of them I found it hard, so you're gonna have to push a little bit harder in. Some of them goes nice and easy. So just push them into the holes. As I mentioned, they have kind of self-stop, those wheels, so once you on the chair, the wheels are running. Once you get off the chair stop in place, which is a nice touch from IKEA. So once we have all the wheels in, we can put it upside down. Put this piston or this hydraulic part in. I don't know how to call it exactly, let's call it piston. So the white part is on the top of it, and here we have the sitting part, 3 screws, Allen key, and the back support part. So we place the back support part in the sitting part, in the bracket inside, and there is those 3 holes, so they have to come on the top of each other. You have those 3 screws, so just place them in. I would suggest to put them, all 3 of them in before you start to tightening them up. As you find all the holes, it's easier this way. If you tighten the first screw, maybe you have a harder time to put those other 2 in. So just do a few twists with all 3 screws, and once you're in with all of them, just tighten the screws with Allen key, which IKEA provided in the box. We secure them here all the way, nice and tight for all of them. And now we can put the sitting part. There is a hole on the hydraulic part of the chair. Just push it in to the hole. There's no screws or anything, just push it in. There it is, that's how it holds together. And this is the IKEA HATTEFJÄLL office chair. As I mentioned, we have it without the arm support. You can open this this bottom part if you want to clean it, and there's just a velcro which is closing the sitting part. So we have it without the arm support. You can get them extra, I think it's about £25 here in the UK, so you can adjust the adjustable arm supports on both sides. Regarding the positioning of the chair, so this lever, you go up or down. If you push it out, you can position the back support, or if you push the lever in, you lock the back support. Once it's open, it's supposed to automatically adjust to your weight. This is the positioning of the sitting part, so you can position it in or out, depending how you like it, how far you like it from the back support. And the back support coming up, I think have a 4 or 5 position all the way up. You can put it all the way down, depending how you prefer. And this is it for IKEA HATTEFJÄLL office chair. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always. You will make my day, and see you in my next one very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.